Hey everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me and my possibly sidekick. So far we just have Wyatt today. I don't know if he is aware. Are you aware I'm doing a video right now? Maybe not. Zena's in the house. She has a gigantic busy bone she is gnawing on right now, so she was not willing to leave it. So we are excited to have a Fashom unboxing today. This was waiting for me when I got back. I had to ask for an extension since it came while I was traveling, and I am excited to be digging into it. Fashom is a fun subscription because it is one of the few that you are able to kick off whenever you want. There is no regular schedule. You never get a box unless you kick it off first, right? So whenever you feel like you need a fix, all you do is go into the app or through the browser and kick off your Fashom box. You pick a stylist, you pick a stylist. Your stylist will curate items for you, and then you pick 5 items from that collection, or ask for more styles if there's not enough that you like, and throw them in your cart and check out. And then a few weeks later, here you go. Sometimes it's less. Previously, it has taken a little bit of time for me to get my boxes, but I think this one came within a week. You do fill out a profile, and which does help your stylist pick out items for you, but if you don't like them, you can ask for more, as I said. You do get an envelope. It does have your price sheet in it. If you keep, let me make sure I say this right, if you keep all 5 pieces, you get 30% off. If you keep 3 or 4 pieces, you get 25% off. So that's nice. And they do give you a card that tells you what's next. So you try before you buy, purchase your favorites. If the fit isn't right, you can do exchanges. And for every box sent, they donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue for New York City dogs, which I love. So that comes on this little card, explains everything whenever you get it. So let's dig in. You do get an envelope to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. Let's get my bunto out of here. There's one side. I see color on this side. So we've already got color and pattern. And let's dig in. All right, first up is by Akoz, A-K-O-Z, Paris. And this looks like a dress. And which way does it go? I think it goes this way. I have no idea. Does it tie? There's like little ties here. Maybe it ties in the back. So it is a thinner summer dress. Check out the colors in that. I like the blues. It's matching my nails. I think this goes in the back, and then you just tie it. Yes, here's the tag. All right. That's cute. I'm gonna look at the picture of it. I'm not gonna look at pricing, but the picture does look like the ties go in the back too. Not reversible. Next is by Moci. It says Moci by Purple Rain, USA. And this is another dress. This is a jersey dress. Love the colors in this. It's a little wrap at the top, a little tie, but it's just faux. So it's not actually tying anything. That's pretty. Cheery. It is on a black background, but with all the yellowish, it's almost like a limey green, and pink and white makes it quite cheery. All right, next is by Evident, Los Angeles, without the A. And this is a pair of crops. It almost looks like the little kick flare. Does it tell me? No. They have the raw hem stretch. No other distressing other than the raw hem. What do you think of those? They look cute. All right, 2 more items. A pair of shorts by Just Black Denim. Some distressing, cuffed, some stretch. Those aren't bad, they're longer. I like that they have the longer inseam, so that's nice. And last item by Staccato is bright pink. Has the buttons down the back. That's cute. I love the pink. And then check out the front, has the little crossover there in the front. A little wrinkled. What is this? Almost seems like a linen. It's rayon. I like the color. That's pretty. All right, that's all 5 pieces. So all 5 pieces total. We'll just do totals. I'll go over individual pricing at the end. But $218, and then if you kept all 5 items, you get 30% off. It'd be $152.60 for all 5 items. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, so let's get to the try on and see how these look. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the first dress, and I think it looks prettier on than I was expecting. I had a difficult time getting the ties tied in the back to look appropriate, but I think it's okay now. So here's the close-up look of it, and you can see the back. The other thing I'm not sure about is it's bunching a little bit right here, as you guys can see, so I'm not sure I love that. It is a very thin material, but I think it's cute, and I kind of like the V in the front, and I'm not minding the ties once I got them. And then I just put it on with silver flats. Because it is a pretty lightweight, casual dress. The colors are pretty. The pattern's kind of funky. You guys have to tell me what you think. All right, let's do another outfit. Here's the next dress. I love the pattern. I love the colors. I think this is really pretty for summer. What do you think? Here's a close-up look of it. It's a nice jersey material. I'm thinking I might need to pin it just to be safe, or where I have a half cami that's black, I could wear underneath it as well. I like it when they're like half, that way you don't have to worry about anything riding and bunching right here, so I bought one that comes to right here that fits over top of your bra that's will cover anything. I wear it frequently. So this does tie on the side and pulls this a little bit, but I still think it could ride. Comes right above the knee. Here's the full view. I put my Tom's pink sandals on, which I keep saying seem to go with everything, and they really do go with so much. The fabric of this is really pretty. Soft and comfy. It would travel well. Yeah, I think I like this one. I almost could have a snap added here. That might even be easier. All right, I think I like this one. I'll be back with another outfit. Next couple items is this super wrinkled top, but it is pretty. I love the neckline here. It does have adjustable straps. The color is very pretty. It'll just need to be steamed. The back is pretty with the button detailing. It is longer. And I love the adjustable straps. That's one of my favorite features of a cami top, because it usually never sits in the right place for me, so that works out perfectly. I have it on with these now fit me as jeans. I think they're supposed to be crops, but they are hitting me as regular jeans. They do have a bit of a kick flare bottom, but they are a little long for me, so I wish they were more of a crop. They fit fairly well, but I'm not sure I love them. I think that I don't need any jeans right now. and I think they're hitting me at an odd place on my ankle. So here's the whole outfit. I just put flip-flops on. All right, I have one more item, the shorts. I'll be right back. Last item, the Just Black denim shorts, which fit really well. So they have just a little bit of room in my waist, but nothing that's making them stick out or bunch, so that's perfect. They're a little bit of a looser fit. I have a little bit of room, which I like. They're not super tight. They do have a little bit of distressing, which isn't bothering me. I love the length. They have a nice long length. Yeah, I think they're cute. I put them on with flip-flops. I still have the cami on. I think they're a nice jean for summer. We'll see how much they are, but I like them. I like the length, and I like that they're not tight around my leg. I hate when they're tight around the leg, so that's really nice. I do like this black denim. They generally are reasonably priced and fit well. So that's the last item. So I'm excited to see how much these items are individually, and I will be right back. Okay, so pricing. So I will tell you right off the bat, the most expensive item in this box was $46. Not bad, right? I do think Fashom's pricing is pretty budget friendly. And the most expensive item was the jean shorts, ironically enough. Okay, so first item is the Moci by Purple Rain Floral Wrap dress. That's this. What did you think of this? $45. Not bad. With a discount, 25% off. That would be worth it, I think. So this is a maybe. I think my goal is to get to 3 items to get to 25% off if I'm keeping anything. So this is a maybe. Next is the jean shorts. These were the $46. I liked these, so at 25% off, I'm leaning towards these as a maybe as well to get to my 3. The Blue Pepper Denim Wash Crop Jeans, these were $43. So I'm thinking these are a no. I really don't need any jeans right now, and I thought these fit me a little odd. The Staccato V-neck solid tank top, that was this, $39. So I'm worried about this being so wrinkly, but I liked it. But I believe as soon as I sit, it's probably gonna wrinkle again. But this is going to my maybe. If I want to get to 3 items, that would be my third, because it would either have to be that or this dress, the Akoz Paris Aztec Print dress, which was $45. So it would either have to be that top or this dress. Which do you like better? This I liked better on than when I took it out of the box. It did look much better on than I had expected. So it's going in my maybe. I have to decide if I'm going to keep 3 or not. Otherwise, I forgot to mention there is a $15 styling fee. It comes off of anything that you keep. So then I have to decide if I just want to keep one item, which one it would be. So you all have to help me decide what were your favorites. If you were to pick 3, which 3 would it be? Or do you only like one item? Which one would it be? Help me decide. I will put my referral link down below in case you would like to give Fashom a try. I will also list all of these items down below in case you want to request any of them from your stylist. Fashom does let you send emails, you can request things, and you can interact with your stylist via email if you would like to. So I hope you've had fun. I had fun digging into my box as always. The sidekicks haven't been too interactive. Zena's still working on that busy bone, and I don't know what Wyatt's doing here. I'm going to say bye to everybody. Say thank you and bye. Yep. Wyatt got groomed. When did you get groomed? Friday. Yep, Friday. So I hope everyone's week is starting off well. Thank you so much for joining Wyatt and I today. I hope you hit that like button. I would love it if you'd hang out with us and hit that subscribe button. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.